this fresh air. And there's nothing that beats it. No amount of candles or Febreze. But cigarettes do. You want to smoke? No, I usually don't smoke. Just on special occasions, like socializing. Well, that's okay. You don't have to be peer pressured into smoking. I will just take one myself. You know what? You do have a good point. Maybe I am addicted to cigarettes after all. So, what are you doing here on a fine night? You're here with your friends. I see. I'm here with my friends as well. We were having a blast at the club earlier. It just got too stuffy and it's getting a little bit late, so we're trying to gather outside and figure out what to do next. Maybe a midnight meal. Yeah, the club is right around the corner. It's called, let me try to remember this. Bungalow? Bungalow? I don't know. Anyways, I mean, they promised they would meet me outside. Do you see a bunch of people just wandering around looking for their leader or something? Because that would be them. Here, let me check as well. Alright, so let's check out what's in my pockets. I believe this is a lighter. And this is gum. Nice. Still smells really fresh. Cigarettes. Oh. You weren't supposed to see my rubber. I mean, I have it just in case of emergencies. Maybe I found a nice damsel in distress who needs some calming down of her own without cigarettes. And, yeah, I just whip this out and assemble it on me and, yeah, you never know. Hey, you never know, okay? Anyways, it was supposed to be in my wallet, which is also nowhere to be found. Do you think someone swiped it at the club? Maybe grabbed it out of my pocket. You never know these days. They've been grabbing everything in there. I did feel a little violated, but also a little cool, I guess. Here we go. I just received a text from my buddy. He said that he has my wallet. Okay, great. I mean, here's the thing. I'm very, very liberal when it comes to buying others drinks, so I don't really want to blow it all in one day, you know, so. Alright, so here's what happened. Alright, I gave my wallet to my friend, maybe, to protect me from my money that I didn't want to spend, allegedly. So what I'm trying to say is that I'm very good at planning. And thus, you can have complete trust in me. Okay, how about this? Okay, tell me if this is a smart thing to do or just a dumb, whimsical thought that popped into my head, okay? How about I go back in the club and you come along with me? sure that's where your friends are? They seem like the partying kind. And once we find our friends, I can ditch them again. We can both ditch our friends. I'll buy you a drink with the wallet that I get. And we can find a corner of the club to talk. Maybe somewhere quiet, outside on a balcony. What do you think? Okay, great. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this time. Oh, yes. And yeah, this is the VIP entrance. It's exclusively only for VIP members and card holders. And just let the bouncer know what drink you want. Anything at all. Okay, great. Now that you have your order in, come on, follow me up the stairs and to the left. Welcome to my favorite booth in the club. Next door you can hear all my friends partying, right? They don't have to know that I'm here with you. Oh yes, we get to watch everyone dance on the floor below. And if you want some more quiet time, the shades close and we can close the curtains. And it's a lot quieter. Okay, baby, now that we're settled in, did you know that I knew that you were completely staring me down on the streets? I could see it in your eyes that you wanted a piece of this. I haven't been eyed down like that in a very, very long time. So why don't we skip the names and get straight to the point? Don't you worry. Just lay down on the couch and let me do the rest of the talking. Has anyone ever commented on how beautiful you look up close? It makes me want to do things to you. Things that you might be ashamed of, so I don't think we should do it. But I really, really want to. Maybe we should do it anyways. Just close your eyes and don't tell anyone, okay? Baby, I want to divulge to you that I was waiting for this for so long. And it feels way, way better than I imagined. You make me feel like $1,000,000. And I just don't think I'll ever be this happy again. You're the nicest, most gorgeous girl I've ever been with. And oh my God. Oh my God. I just never want to lose you. Oh, and I really love the curve of your thigh. And your skin is just so soft and very velvety smooth. And just every time I run my hands over it, your eyes seem to give away that you love me. You fell for me, didn't you? Oh, baby, I really appreciated that time together with you. However, this isn't a live stream. It is a video. The video does have to have an ending, right? Go ahead, like and subscribe. I would really be grateful if you did that. And I'll continue to make audios in return. And, yeah. I love you. I love you. I love you. I Love you. I love you, I swear.